In this video, we will learn how a shipping specialist creates outbound deliveries. Choose the shipping space. To create an outbound delivery for a specific sales order, select the Create Outbound Delivery from Sales Order tile. In the shipping point field, enter 1710 and press enter. In the sales document field, enter the sales document number 27636. Choose Go. Select the sales document. Choose Create Deliveries. The delivery for sales document is created. We can choose Display Log. We can see the delivery number that has been created recently. Thank you.